Swapping your Chevy Tahoe battery without wiping out your radio presets and seat memory requires an OBD2 memory saver tool. By plugging this simple cable into your diagnostic port and connecting it to a jump box, you provide continuous backup power to the vehicle computer. This completely prevents the annoying reset process after the new battery is installed. Before you begin the battery replacement, roll down the driver's side window and turn off the ignition. Make sure all interior lights, the radio, and the climate control system are powered down. You want to minimize the electrical draw on your backup power source during the swap. Take your OBD2 memory saver cable and plug it directly into the diagnostic port located under the driver's side dashboard. Connect the other end of the cable to a fully charged portable jump box or a secondary 12-volt power supply. Once the lights on the memory saver illuminate, your Tahoe is safely receiving backup power. Now you can move to the engine bay and disconnect the negative battery cable first, followed by the positive cable. Since the positive cable is still receiving power from the memory saver, you must wrap it in a clean rag or a plastic bag. This prevents the metal terminal from touching the chassis and causing a dangerous short circuit. Remove the old battery and drop the fresh one into the tray. Secure the hold-down bracket, then reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten everything down, remove the memory saver from the OBD2 port, and your Tahoe will retain all of its memory settings perfectly.